If you know these 10 phrases in Hindi, it means your Hindi is amazing. Namaste. Welcome back, and if you are new here, then my name is Hitendra. I make Hindi related videos to help people reach their Hindi learning goals. Today we'll be focusing on 10 phrases that you might not know or know in Hindi that will help you to check your Hindi level, because we'll be going from beginner to advanced, from easy to difficult. So let's see how many of them you already know. So let's get into it. The first phrase we have is "Aap kaise hain," which means how are you? Aap kaise hain? How are you? Use it for polite conversation when you're meeting someone. It's a great icebreaker to ask someone directly, how are you? The second one we have is pretty useful, and that is "Mujhe samajh nahi aaya," and that means I did not understand. Helpful when you need someone to explain again. The next one we have is "Kya ye sahi hai?" Kya ye sahi hai? Which means is this right? Useful for clarifying or verifying information. And the next one we have is "Mujhe pani chahiye," and that means I need water. A practical sentence to use when you're traveling. You can even use I need and then anything else. So mujhe, whatever the subject is, and then chahiye. Mujhe khana chahiye. Mujhe paise chahiye. Mujhe ticket chahiye. You can use it for anything. So mujhe pani chahiye, I need water. Now we are on to the intermediate level, and these sentences are pretty hard. So let's see if you know this first one, which is mujhe pata nahi. Mujhe pata nahi, and that means I don't know. I don't know. A common phrase when you're unsure about something. Next phrase is aap kahan se hain? Aap kahan se hain? And that means where are you from? Where are you from? A polite question to start a conversation. The next one we have is ye bahut acha hai. This is very good. Perfect for complimenting food, places, or anything that you like. And the next one is actually pretty useful, probably the most useful one. And that is mujhe Hindi seekhni chahiye. And that is I should learn Hindi. Okay, now we are on to the advanced level. And these sentences, I must say, are pretty hard. If you know these sentences, that means you have a very good Hindi level. So let's see how many of them you know. The first one is मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि हिंदी सीखना आसान है. मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि हिंदी सीखना आसान है. I am understanding that learning Hindi is easy. This is subjective. It might be true, might be not. I would say, as a Hindi teacher, I do think learning Hindi is probably easy. But a lot of people might not agree with it. But if we go to the next sentence, that is आप मुझे ये समझा सकते हैं. आप मुझे ये समझा सकते हैं. And that means, can you explain this to me? Polite way to seek help with complex ideas. Perfect. These were the 10 phrases for every level, from beginner to intermediate to advanced. Let me know in the comments how many of them you understood or you already knew. And this will give you a good idea of what your Hindi level is. If you want to learn more about Hindi, make sure to check out links in my bio. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And as always, धन्यवाद और फिर मिलेंगे.